Sometimes our scanner doesn't change the scan data orientation properly. So sometimes when we start our wizard into exocad, we find out that our measures are upside down. So how we can change it? If we go into adjust, you can do this operation, by the way, at the beginning of the project. So before we detect the margin and we do something else. So you must do at the beginning. So you gotta go to adjust scan data orientation. You move your mesh straight up like this, so you don't have to see red pop art. Okay, and then you set current view as axis, and then you click OK. Once you do that, you can open the wizard and your margin is gonna be just fine, and you can follow step by step the wizard.